Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like all my videos have been in my car lately. Is that my brand? I think we're gonna make that my brand. We're just gonna roll with it. And I really wanted to come on here and chat with you guys. It is currently 2020 now, which is just wild. I cannot get over the fact that we made it through a whole decade. Like, that is insane to me. I'm not going to talk about that too much because I could go on and on about that, but we're just going to keep it with, I can't believe it's already 2020. With that being said, I wanted to come on here, kind of reflect to you guys a little bit about 2019 and talk to you guys about my New Year's resolutions. I wasn't sure about doing this video, but I decided to go ahead and do it anyways because they're super fun for me to watch, at least. So yeah, let's reflect a little bit. 2019 was like a really good year, but also a really not so good year. But I feel like that's every year. Like, definitely every year has its high highs and its low lows. One of the big things in 2019 was that I moved out in April for the first time. And that was a really big deal for me. I never thought that I would be at this point in my life, which is incredible. And I'm so grateful that I can do this on my own and be completely financially removed from my parents. Just like a really great feeling. It feels very like grown up. Another really big thing that happened to me was I was able to be more in control of my anxiety. Not completely in control because it definitely still happens. I still have panic attacks. I just had one recently. What I'm trying to say is I am more aware of them. I know when it's coming on. I know what causes them. I know how to make them not as terrible because I can kind of get to the root of it and figure out why I'm feeling this way. And I've done a lot of things that have improved my anxiety and got rid of a lot of things in my life that caused my anxiety, and that is a really big deal to me, and I'm very proud of it. We're not going to talk about 2019 too much because it's in the past and I really don't want to dwell on the past. I am so excited for this year. This is the first year where I feel like I have really like become more in tune with who I am. I'm not completely there, but I'm getting there and it feels really good. One of my big New Year's resolutions actually is to become more confident in who I am. I always say I'm a pretty confident person, but I definitely question a lot of the things that I do and say, what I wear, how I act. Like, literally, I question a lot of things. So I just want to be more confident in who I am as a person, how I look on the inside and on the outside. Because looks definitely isn't everything, but you know, it feels good to feel good about yourself. Another one of my New Year's resolutions is something I've really never been okay with, and I want to work on being okay with being alone. Being alone can be really scary, especially if you're someone who deals with anxiety, and I just want to be able to be alone and not be completely miserable by that. You know, I want to be confident in being alone and go to places alone, do things alone, and not feel terrified. Another one of my New Year's resolutions is to be more money efficient. I feel like that's something I've always struggled with. I've never been good with money, and I would just like to be better with it. Have a savings account for once in my life because that's something I've never had, and I definitely know that I need it, especially as I get older. I would like to also be more aware of like my money and how much I make and how much I spend, and I've started to do that. I've started to do that more recently towards the end of the year, but up until then I've never really like done that. So I really want to make that a priority in 2020. Another one of my New Year's resolutions is to feel good on the inside and on the outside. I would just really, I kind of have a theme this year, just being more confident in who I am as a person. And I don't always feel the best, emotionally, physically, like mentally. I don't always feel the best, and I really want to make that a huge priority because if I just know that'll like be really game changing if I focus on the way I feel. I think that'll be really good for me. And yeah, that is it. That's pretty much sums up my 2020 resolutions. I really don't have any crazy resolutions. I am a big New Year's gal, but I'm not one to like have Well, I used to be, but I'm not anymore. I'm not one to have unrealistic resolutions that I can't stick to. As you know, none of these have like numbers. Like, I don't have a certain dollar amount I want to save. I'm not saying that I need to lose weight or anything like that. It's more of a thing that will impact my life, and not just really my year, but my life, and just bettering myself as a person, which is something that I'm really trying to do. So thank you guys for listening to me rant about this. I hope you guys had a decent 2019. And if not, just remember you survived through that, so you can survive through whatever 2020 throws at you. And I'm so excited to take on this year with you. That being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more. I've been killing it lately, if I do say so myself. And I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye guys.